This video from install partner Anyplace Media is designed to let the Subway franchisee know exactly what to expect on the day of installation of your new Fresh Forward digital menu board system. Our two-man team, using precise information from the site survey, will commence the install in the bulkhead area by mounting the screen support bracket securely. The individual brackets are mounted to the screens to allow correct spacing. We have a number of bracket and screen options approved by Subway to cater for every scenario and store option. As you will see, all equipment is asset tagged to track performance and warranty. Once the media player area has been located, access holes will be drilled for the cables up to a maximum of 10 meters from the player to screen. This will be to the agreed format, allowing emergency backup of content in the event of failure. The commercial grade screens are now mounted to the bulkhead and adjusted with up to 15 degrees of tilt to eliminate unwanted reflections. Data and signal cables are connected, as well as mains power to sockets provided by the franchisee's electrical contractor. The media players and router will be mounted in a data cabinet if available in store, or at a suitable location on a backroom wall. Once cabled to the screens, testing and continuity of data will commence with the content provider. Now the screens will be cloned with the optimum settings to maximise image quality and lifespan. All data and photographs taken during the installation will be uploaded to the Anyplace Media technical app for evaluation and quality control. All excess packaging and waste will be removed. The complete installation will usually be done in a day while working around other trades. When complete, we will hand over the DMB system and ensure contact details are available for 24-hour system and content support. Welcome to the Subway DMB experience.